Hey folks, this is Rick with Travel with RickandD. Today is Sunday, April 19th. Still on this virus stay-at-home stuff. The guy that originally stained and painted our concrete stopped by, and he's going to touch up all this stuff that is worn away over the years of driving back and forth with our vehicles. So we came in the other day, brought a big old sander with a sanding disc. We sanded all this down, and then he applied a glue which goes over the top of the concrete that holds all the existing stuff where it's at. You can see up there, underneath our fifth wheel, is 3 different paints and 1 stain. And he'll be bringing urethane satin finish because I don't like the gloss look. And sometime this afternoon we'll have this whole area done, and it goes from here all the way up. You can see the tape where I take off the bottom of the shed so we don't get any paint on the shed. Any of these spots like this where the bare concrete is showing, we're going to redo, including this area here where our metal rocking chairs go. It basically runs all the way around the fire pit, and then we're going to epoxy this because the epoxy will slow down this, which is the metal on the chair back and forth against the concrete, which creates this. But for right now, we're ready. We're waiting for him. He would have done this yesterday, but it rained out. So, like I said, the tape around the she shed goes all the way around. He's going to bring some paper, and we're going to tape the paper up around the bottom because he's going to use a spray gun to spray the stain and the paint on the concrete. So for right now, until he gets here, I can't do much more, and I can't explain much more because you basically know what's going on here. And when this is done, even if he paints it today, I can show you what it would look like, and then on Monday, when he puts the urethane down, I'll show you the finished product. On that note, this is Rick with Travel with RickandD, saying, see you later. This is Rick again, back talking to you about having the concrete stained and all the rest of that restained. We get the paper up around the she shed that we had talked about. And that's Mike. He's a concrete guy. He did this 2 years ago, and he's back in here again today, filling up all the worn out and beat up spots from the lovely sun out here in Boulder City. He's got a business, and when he's done with all this and we're finished, I'll make sure I get his email address, and you guys can check out his business, and if you want to do anything or have him do anything for you, give him a jingle. He comes highly recommended. Until we finish this, I'm going to say adios for now, and I'll give you a buzz back a little bit later on this afternoon, and then in the morning or tomorrow afternoon, whenever this is totally done. Today is Monday, April 20th, and Mike the concrete guy is just pulled back up, and we are getting ready to put urethane on top of the paint from yesterday. And then that will sit for 24 to 48 hours before anybody walks on it. Looks like he's got a 3-part mixture here. But that's his forte, not mine. So, anyways, hey Mike, what's your websites?
It's concreterestored.com.
Concreterestored.com.
Yeah.
You need to go on that because he'll do driveways, he'll do garages, he'll do industrial floors, whatever your need is. So look him up and give him a call.
2-part mixture, poly 250 satin. Good stuff. High performance.
High performance, that means it goes fast.
We hope not.
Yeah. Alright, we'll give you a jingle and we'll look at this when we're done with it. So this is Rick again from Travel with RickandD, and they have just finished putting the satin finish on half of my pad for my fifth wheel. I did the darker side due to the fact that that was getting pretty beat up from the sun. So anywho, this is what we got going on here, and it continues all the way up, and this is the finished product.
Thank you for watching our videos. Hope you enjoy them. We upload new videos every week.
So don't forget to hit the like button and make sure you subscribe to our channel, Travel with RickandD. Until next time, see you on the road.